I know. Ducking.
Which one's yours?
The red one. It's a nice combo right here, blue and red.
Damn, you install the lights too?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Got a nice ambient lighting. Spacious interior.
Heard these were pretty fast off the launch, man.
I'm gonna show you that right now. Acceleration sport, steering mode sport, regenerative braking. Yeah, it's fine.
That's so lit. Oh! Jeez. Space Mountain.
Yep, easy.
What is it 0 to 60? Like 3 seconds?
They say 3.2 and it still doesn't have launch control. So at Elon, please.
Oh, jeez. Woo. Woo. No way. Oh, the self-show, that's right.
Yeah. I mean, right now when there's no traffic, it doesn't really make sense to have autopilot because I actually like driving. But in traffic, dude, it's like... Yeah, let me try autopilot now, if it works. Yep. It says all the cones. But you still have to be on it in case something...
Right. You're gonna do a lunge?
Yeah. That's what's so cool about it, because like nobody hears you, so you can just go to woo. Dude, that's so beautiful. Like this right here.
Yeah, this section right here. It's...
And a couple years ago, that wasn't even there. Like, none of those buildings were here, right? Like,
At all.
he put it in track mode. New Chipotle.
Essential.
Dude, they had no Chipotle like
Ever.
downtown or Brickell. That's crazy.
That'll probably be the highest grossing one in
Yeah.
South Florida. No pool right here. You won't know. He literally won't hear.
That's the beauty of this car, bro. Nobody can hear you. They can only see you going like zoom. Look at this, damn. Like living in Brackle Key, imagine having that view right there.
Pizza delivery guy for the cop.
They're gonna make a crazy building right there too. It's called the Elysee, I think. The brakes are not the best.
That's the most amount of engine sound we've heard tonight.
That's fun though. We're passing by the collection.
Needs less rattle.
That's odd.
You don't need to see where we are.
Daddyland. Daddyland.
Daddy land. Look at the camera quality. Dude, that was a fun drive.
Yeah.
I got a headache now. Hey, look. That laser.
Quack. Yo, are you selling quack?